In my last video, I told you that Spotify had been added to my computer without my knowledge, and apparently it happened to quite a few other users of both Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you're running Windows 11, there is a way for you to make a settings change, and this is off by default, so that you're notified anytime a program is added to the Autostart list in Windows 11. Let me show you how to make that settings change so that nothing gets added to that list without your knowledge. Start by selecting the Start menu, then select Settings, and under System, you want to select Notifications on the right side. Select it. Now wait for the apps populate under Notifications from Apps and Other Senders. Once that's fully populated, scroll all the way down, because this is where you find all those items that start when the system starts. And almost all the way on the bottom, you find something that says Startup App Notification. You'll notice that by default, this is turned off. If you want to be notified whenever something new is added to this list, or you'd like to make sure you wind up with no surprises when something is added to this list, make sure this is turned on. It is on. By default, it shows notification banner, which means when something gets added to this, you'll automatically see a notification banner, and you will also see it in the notification center. Once this is selected, you will now be notified, except for certain circumstances, when something automatically adds an item to that list of items that automatically start when your system starts. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.